Most of us store our data into our computers for safety. But what if someone hacks it? You are at Data High Tech, and today we will talk about how to keep your computers safe from hackers. Hackers can steal our financial and personal data from our computers, and it is so dangerous, just like being robbed. For protecting our computers, we must follow certain security guidelines to protect our devices. Here we will list 8 steps for online security. Before starting this video, subscribe to our channel for all future discussions. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Now let's get started. 1. Install a firewall. Integrate firewalls into Windows and Mac OS, and they act as a barrier between your data and the outside world. Firewalls protect your company network from unwanted access and notify you of any incursion attempts. 2. Put antivirus software on your computer. Malware and computer infections are ubiquitous. Antivirus software like Bitdefender, Panda Free Antivirus, Malwarebytes, and Avast safeguard your computer against malicious computer software or code that may compromise your operating system. 3. Install an anti-spyware program. Installing an anti-spyware program is the best way to protect your computer. Spyware is a kind of computer software that secretly monitors and gathers personal or corporate information. 4. Make use of complicated passwords. Using safe passwords is regarded as an essential technique of preventing system invasions. The stronger your password, the harder it is for an attacker to access the system. Lengthier and more complex typically translates to secure. 5. Maintain your internet browser. Always apply updates while your operating system is fresh new. Many updates include security patches that prevent criminals from abusing and accessing your data. 6. Disregard spam. Be aware of email communications from unknown senders and never open links or attachments that come with them. 7. Make a backup of your PC. Always ensure that you can recreate data as much as possible as soon as an information breach or loss occurs. Mac OS, Time Machine, and Windows File History restoration programs are great ways to start. An external backup drive may also offer enough capacity for these tools to function correctly. 8. Could you turn it off completely? Always leaving your laptop on makes it a more prominent and accessible target for hackers. Turning it off destroys the connection a hacker may have formed along with your network and ruins any potential harm. So, these were some steps you must follow to secure your data from hackers. If you have any questions, kindly leave a comment, like, and share our video. Thanks for watching.